how you can log into your Fidelity Investment service. First, open your web browser and then search for Fidelity Investment. And once you search for this, you can open the official website, fidelity.com. And here you will have to accept all of the terms and conditions to continue to your page. And if you don't have an account, you can open an account from here, or if you already have an account, you can just tap on this login, just click here, and this will take you to a different login portal. And here you can enter your username and your password as well. Once you enter your username and password, if you want the browser to remember your login info, just check this box so that you don't have to enter your login details every time you want to go in here. And after you do that, just simply click on login and you should be logged into your Fidelity investment account. But if you can't log in, please make sure that you have entered your valid username and password. And in some case, if you forgot either your username or your password, just click here. And if you click here, you can recover your ID or password from here. If you enter all of your details here, you can recover your ID from here. And that's how you can easily log into your Fidelity investment account. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.